Welcome to AT Math Academy. Today I'm going to show you how to graph the quadratic equations. Here the equation is minus 3x square minus 18x plus 4. So this is a parabolic equation, and let's start by finding the vertex of this equation, which is vertex is minus b by 2a. The x coordinate is minus b by 2a. So it will be the standard formula for the parabola is ax square plus bx plus c, where c is 4, b is minus 18 and a is minus 3. So for the x coordinate we have minus b by 2a, which is minus. For b we here have minus 18, minus of minus 18 by 2 times. For a here I have it as minus 3. So it should be minus times minus is plus. So 18 times 2 into minus 3. So 3 times 6 is 18 and 2 times 3, so it will be minus 3. So the vertex x coordinate is minus 3, and f of x, which is f of minus 3, is, so here we have p, so we can take it as p of x, and p of minus 3 is, I'm substituting the x value as minus 3 in this equation, so which is minus 3 square minus 18 into minus 3 plus 4, which is minus 3, and which is 9 here, and minus times minus is plus. 18 times 3 is 54 plus 4, and here minus 3 times 9 is 27 plus 54 plus 4, which is 58 here. So 58 minus 27, which is 1, and 3, which is 31. So this is the y coordinate p of x. So vertex here is minus 3 comma 31. So this is the vertex, and in order to graph this equation we are going to find out the intercepts. So the vertex here, the vertex that we got is minus 3 comma 31. This is the vertex of the parabola, and in order to graph this quadratic equation we are going to find out the x-intercepts and y-intercept. So y-intercept means it is intersecting y-axis here, and x-intercept means it is intersecting x-axis. This is y-intercept and this is x-intercept. So y-intercept, intercepting the axis, so the value of x here is 0, and for x-intercept the value of y is 0. So we can take the value of x as 0. For x equal to 0 we can find out y-intercept. So for x equal to 0 I am substituting it minus 3 into 0 square minus 18 into 0 plus 4. So the value is 4. So 4 is the y-intercept. So the coordinates are 0 comma 4. And next, for finding out the x-intercept, I am going to take the entire equation, which is p of x should be 0. So for doing that, minus 3x square minus 18x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then we find out the values of x. So I'm going to take these values to the another side of the equation. So when minus 3x square goes to the opposite side, it will become 3x square, and 18x becomes 18, minus 18x becomes 18x, and plus 4 becomes minus 4. I'm going to rewrite this equation this way, and now I need to factorize it. In my earlier videos I have shown you how to factorize a quadratic expression. So 3 and 4 when it is multiplied gives us 12. So we need to think of two numbers such that when they are multiplied it will give us result as 12, and when they are added it gives us as 18. So let's start with 2 table. 2 and 6 is 12, and 3 and 4, and so when you add it or multiply it you need to get it as 12, 18, and you need to get the product as 12. or you can find it as another way here to find it. So as we got the y-intercept as 0 and 4, what I am going to do here is, I know the value of y here as 4, and since it is a parabola, it has the reflection. So for I'm taking the y value as 4 and I'm going to find out my x values. So which is like this: 4 is equal to the above parabola. Then in that case, when I get the 4 to the another side, it becomes 4 minus 4 is equal to minus 3x square minus 18x, which is 0 is equal to minus 3x square minus 18x. So here when you observe, 0 is equal to minus 3, I can take it as common, minus 3x, and here I can get it as x and plus 6. So I can write these two factors, minus 3x is equal to 0, which means x is equal to 0. I get y value as 4, and there is another x value for which y is equal to 4, which is x plus 6 is equal to 0. So x equal to minus 6. So for x value of minus 6, I again get the y value of 4. So now I'm going to plot this vertex and this intercept and this point on the graph. So my graph here is like this over x and y, and let's plot it. So let's think it as 0, and since I have here till 31, I'm going to take it as 10, 20, 30 on y-axis, and here on x-axis I'm going to take it as 1, 2, 3, 4. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and minus 6. So now I'm plotting it, minus 3 and 31. So minus 3 here is, you have minus 3 over here, and 31 should be somewhere like this, and you have the another point as 0, 4, which is 0 and 4 here below 5, and another point, a reflection point, is minus 6, 4. So minus 6 on x-axis and minus 4 here. So when I join, I get the parabola. So this is the vertex, and this is x y-intercept, and this is the reflection for y-intercept. So we found out the reflection point by taking the same y value as that of the y-intercept 4. So I equated the parabolic equation to 4 and found out the value of x. Then once I get the x value as minus 6, I'm plotting it and getting the graph for that parabola. So this is how you solve it. Hope you all like my video, and please subscribe to 80 Math Academy and enjoy doing math at 80. Thank you.